Hello everyone, today I will talk about best screen recorder free app for your Android mobile phone, and it is xrecorder. Xrecorder is a free screen recorder app for your Android device. If you want to record your entire mobile screen with voiceover audio, you can do it so easily using xrecorder app. The xrecorder app allows you to capture whatever is happening in your Android device screen. It also allows you to capture sounds that are played in the video too. This app is completely free and very easy to use. It will help you to make video tutorial using your mobile phone. Now I will show you how to install the xrecorder app and how to screen record using this app. To install xrecorder app, you have to go to Google Play Store. Then you have to search xrecorder. Here you can see this is the xrecorder app. Now you have to install the xrecorder app. After installing, you have to click on open, or you have to open the xrecorder app. So this is the xrecorder app. So if you want to screen record, then click on record. Here you can see the timing. It means the recording has been started. So what you will show in your mobile screen, it will be recorded. Now you can make video tutorial. You can display your presentation slides and you can explain every slides. And now you can make video tutorial. So what you will show in your mobile screen will be recorded by xrecorder.